everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi.
And today we are unboxing another, because we absolutely love this company, it is another POPSTARZ mystery box. So a little bit different this one though. This one is a damaged POPSTARZ mystery box, but it is also still a £50 guaranteed damaged mystery box. So what it is, they basically turn around and said that it will be damaged, the pops inside will be damaged, but they do take 20% off the pop directory price for damaged mystery box, but they'll still be guaranteed £50. So whatever pops are in here, I'm not sure how damaged they're going to be or anything like that, but hopefully they're not too damaged. But like I say, well, only one way to find out now is to open the box. And can't remember what the hits were. I think there was a couple of Walking Dead in there. There was some other ones. I honestly can't remember. The picture will be on the screen now for you to have a look. We just won't have a look. I can't remember. But I know I bought it because there was a few Walking Dead ones in there, you see. So, but I have ordered a couple more from POPSTARZ mystery box. He was doing a hit and miss box with some other grails in. He was also doing a £100 guaranteed value mystery box, and of course I've snapped one of them up, so one of them will be coming as well. Some awesome grails in that one. So yeah, we'll open it, see what there is, go from there. Got the trusty phone for the pop directory app.
Yes.
Yeah. You alright?
Yes.
Don't go keeling over on me. Need you. Open the box, open the box, open the box, open the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go, yeah. What am I in it?
Yeah. Box now open.
Yes, it is. Right. So.
Sunday, 3rd of May.
Alright, so all that it says on the box on the inside. All values from the pop directory as of Sunday the 3rd of May 2020. We got this box on the 5th, I think, something like that. So it was fast shipping. It's always packaged very well anyway. It looks like we got 4 pops individually all wrapped. Even though they're damaged, which is spot on. I'm gonna whinge. So yeah. What's that one?
The Godfather.
Mm.
Okay.
This one's in the picture.
Get off my pop
All right,
directory.
So I'll get the pop directory up, and also calculator. It say is a £50 guaranteed. So fingers crossed we get our value. But we are recording this on, what's the date today? We are
14th.
We are recording this on the 14th of May, so we have took a while to thingy, so apologies, might go up or down in price. So this is, what was it?
It's Sonny Coral.
That do.
Yeah.
Cool.
Don't know what this is. Never heard
It's a
of it.
film, Godfather.
What's it about? Do you know what it's about?
Gangsters.
Ooh.
Wanna watch it?
Damn. Is it suitable for my eyes?
Nah, not really.
So then I can't watch it. There's a bit of damage with like a little crease. Can you see?
Oh, right, yeah. It's not bad, is it? Is that the only damage on it? Oh, a couple of scratches to the front of the thing. And that.
Yeah, and sticker thing.
Oh, sticker marks and stuff. Oh, hey. So, anyway, this one's trending at 12 quid. What we'll do, we'll add it up and then we'll take the 20% off at the end. So, yeah, £12. Was it in a pop detector?
Nope.
Right. So £12. Cool. Don't think I've got any Godfather pops. Let's go and get that sticker mark off there. A bit of WD-40, by the way. If you want a little tip to get sticker residue off your boxes. So this one is
Captain Cassian Andor. Yeah, Captain. Call him Captain. Captain. Star Wars. Don't watch Star Wars. Never probably will watch Star Wars. So don't know who he is. It's only sticker residue. It's only really sticker
residue.
Yeah. Residue.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Some damage on the side.
Sticker crease.
I say damage box, so I expect it. I expected way more damage though.
Yeah. Expected to be like in pieces.
So yeah, this one is trending at £4. I know the Star Wars pops don't hold the value anyway, but not aware of many that do. It's because I think they've brought that many out of them. So. The only thing I like about the Star Wars pops is the little base that come on.
Yeah, they're cool.
Then again, Jazz, I've bought a couple of Star Wars pops, you know.
Of course you have.
I bought, well, sort of Star Wars. Yeah, it is Star Wars. No, the child.
Yeah.
I bought a couple of them. I've also bought the new R2-D2 one where he's like all rustic look and stuff. Don't know what film that's from, but it looked cool, so I bought it. So yeah, anyway, £4. Onto the thing. Plus.
It's this guy.
What guy?
We can't get rid of him.
Oh. So we've had this pop loads of times. I mean, absolutely loads of times, because we always get like Disney mystery boxes and stuff for the wife. But yeah, we've had this for a while. Oh, a couple of times, sorry.
Patcher from Disney's Emperor's New Groove.
Yep. So this one is trending at £5.
Damage on top. Can't see it, but it's a
Slight damage, yeah?
yeah.
Oh, you can see it on there, yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, £5 that one's trending at. I'll add that to the calculator. This must be a decent pop left in here,
Yeah.
because we're only getting that value.
What's that, 150?
Yeah, 50 guaranteed. Well, they take 20% off, so. But then again, these prices might have gone. Oh, yes!
John! From Walking Dead.
Yes! I ain't bothered what the prices of the box or how much it costs now. Or what's out there from that. I hope there's not much damage on this, you know. I think this is a limited piece. I can't see any major damage on that. I'll take that all day long.
Yeah, pretty decent.
Nice. So this is one of the Walking Dead pops. There was a couple on there to be able to get, and got the Michonne one. We are currently watching, well, I'm watching it again, but I'm watching it with Jasmine this time, and Michonne's just come into it, hasn't she?
Yep, we are on
What?
season 3, episode
I think
2 now.
Is it?
2 or 3.
Alright, yeah. So yeah, she's just come into it more or less, and it's absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
Mhm.
It's even better watching it for the second time, I think. Anyway, I'll look this up. I'll stop buzzing about it.
Smell it. What does it smell of?
Don't know.
It's not like the
sniffing on camera
normal
there.
smell. Yeah, she's got blood all over her. With a hood on. And a
I
guitar.
don't even know how you spell her name, you know.
Mitch.
Ah, there we go.
Oh no.
So, oh, that's gone. Might see here.
38.
below.
Double in.
Where are you? Show. Ooh.
Giggles.
Damn! Oh, it's only it's a 2000 limited edition 2000 piece. Is it 2000? Isn't it?
No, it just says Harrison's Comics
Oh,
and Pop Culture exclusive.
Yeah, so it's only a 2000 piece. You'll see on the screen now. I've put it on, and it is valued at £60. This has, what I can see, has got no damage.
Like there's little
Tiny things you probably wouldn't even see it on the camera. This is absolutely brilliant. I'm so happy about this. Anyway, I'll add that to the calculator, which is plus 60. So we have £81 worth of value, and we'll minus the 20% that they said. That leaves us with a value of £64.80 for the guaranteed value £50 box, damage box. I am absolutely over the moon with this. I don't even care if I have to bin them 3. This is worth it all day long for me. I'm so happy with this. Like I said, POPSTARZ mystery boxes have never let us down. They've always been excellent value, always been wrapped properly. Delivery's spot on, customer service is spot on, so I can't speak highly enough for them. But yeah, go to check them out. Links are in the description below. Let us know what you thought of today's box if you managed to pick a damaged one up, because I think there was only about 10 of them, I think. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to
like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications because you'll be entered a go into mystery box giveaway at the end of the month.
Yep, and as always, thanks for tuning in to watch us do our thing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye. Mitchell.
Oh, that is so good. I am so happy about that.
I saw it in the box and I was like, oh yes. Oh yes.